Hi everyone, welcome to How Fix It. In this video guide, I'll show you how to replace the trigger springs on the DualSense Edge controller. The following tools are required to disassemble the controller: Phillips 1 screwdriver, tweezers, and plastic opening tools. I recommend using a magnetic mat during the repair process, which is helpful in the case of the DualSense controller. Keep track of each screw throughout disassembly, so you can put them back in the right places. This will help you successfully reassemble your controller. And don't worry about losing any screws. All of them will definitely remain on the magnetic mat. I left links where to buy all the necessary tools in the description. On the back of the controller, push the latch to the side until the cover is released. Next, raise the release lever attached to the stick module and slide out of its slot. Remove the L1 and R1 buttons by prying them up using a plastic tool. Next, carefully remove this back panel. Remove 7 screws on the back of the controller housing and 2 screws under the L1 and R1 buttons. Carefully remove the spring with the panel. Remove 2 more screws. Now you can open the DualSense Edge controller housing. Turn over the battery and disconnect the cable from the main board using a plastic tool. Remove the 2 screws securing the adaptive trigger. Flip over the trigger and disconnect the cable from the main board. In the same way, remove the second module. Now, you're able to proceed with replacing the trigger spring. For your convenience, a link to a trigger replacement spring suitable for the DualSense Edge controller has been provided in the description below. Let's begin the process of installing a new spring. The procedure is relatively straightforward. Secure one end of the spring beneath the trigger button and attach the other end in the corresponding position on the trigger housing. Ensure that each spring is securely fastened and remains in its designated position. connect the battery and check the contact with the mainboard. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Well done, the repair is now complete. You were on How Fix It, and see you again next time.